Day number 19. Big money. One moment. Reroll. A freaking 2 again. Why does fate have it out for Brinks? I don't know, but here we go again. This is the second green Brinks I ever bought. The first one I already picked and had tape on it. This was the replacement green. Not any better than the original. 30,000's bottom of the keyway tension. A 2-peak rake. There we go. A little bit of a fight, but not too bad. Grab the keys, put on your bells, cause you're going to hell. The bucket, graves, more sacrifice.